It's ADELINE Atlas. And now I'm going to show you how to create a simple, clean sales funnel inside Kajabi. First, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a path that guides someone from free content to paid offer. The simplest funnel looks like this: freebie, email sequence, paid offer. Here's how to build it. Step 1. Set up your freebie form and landing page, which you already learned. Step 2. Build a simple email sequence. Inside marketing, click Email Campaigns. New email sequence. Write 3 to 5 emails that welcome them, deliver the freebie, tell a story that builds trust, offer your paid product. Step 3. Connect it all with a pipeline. Inside pipelines, choose a freebie pipeline. Connect. Landing page. Form. Thank you page. Email sequence. Offer link. Once connected, anyone who signs up moves through your system automatically. No manual follow-up, no chasing leads. It all flows.